Hi, back again today with part 2 of cutting the headlight bezels. As you can see, I got the outer bezel on, I should say. And here's the after of cutting the bracket. I had to cut the sides out. As you can see, here's the one that's uncut. This one's cut, and I actually cut it a little too deep, but that's okay. I can make it work. And I'm going to pause it for a second and put it together, and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, I'm back. But here's the bracketry all put together, and as you can see, there's a little bit of a gap back there, which you'll need to fill, I'm guessing, just because the vibration of the car might cause it to fall out of there and flop around. That I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to. It feels like it's tight in there, so I might be all right. It feels like it's tight and it doesn't want to move, so I might be all right. But that's what you have to do in order to make that headlight bucket fit. Or the headlight fit in the bucket, is so that way you can still use the headlight bucket, because without the headlight bucket there's no way to hold this headlight. So cutting them off just like that, letting them hang out. Now I haven't had a chance to try it in the hole itself, which here's the bolts. So I'm going to pause it again, and I'm going to try and put it in the hole, and I'll unpause and show you the finished results with everything put together. Be right back. Alright, I'm back, and that is the finished product with the headlight in place. And I will go around. Now, I have to plug a headlight in. Let me plug it. Let's see how easy it would be. I'm going to pause here for a second, plug the headlight in, and show you the finished product. Alright, I'm back. Headlight's plugged in. Let's go turn the headlight on real quick. Let's see. Everything's turned on. Go to the back of the car, because it is a race car, of course. Turn it on. Let's turn on the headlight. I believe the headlight should be on. Yep. What the hell's going on here? Okay. Yep. I'm going to have to pause you for a second so I can see what's going on, because the headlight's not coming on. So I'm going to pause it for a minute.